Bitcoin keeps rising amid trade uncertainty as China denies talks are happening between Presidents Xi Jinping and Donald Trump. It's Monday, April 28th, 2025. I'm Christine Lee. This is Coindesk-daily. China's foreign ministry denying U.S. President Donald Trump's claim that he recently spoke with Chinese President Xi Jinping, stating no such call occurred. The ministry also clarified Monday that no tariff deal negotiations are underway between the U.S. and China, contradicting Trump's assertions in a Time magazine interview. On Sunday, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent suggested China may be denying talks because China is playing to a different audience. The ministry responded Monday that if the U.S. really wants to solve the problem through dialogue and negotiation, it should stop threatening and blackmailing China. As global trade uncertainty persists, Trump has been softening his tone on China as the US dollar and stocks tumble. Last week, Trump said tariffs against China, which now total 245%, would be substantially lowered. Strategic allocation away from US assets by investors could see Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of $120,000 in the second quarter of this year, according to a Standard Chartered report. The bank further reiterated its previous Bitcoin target of $200,000 by the end of 2025. Meanwhile, the Trump meme coin surged 85% in a week, reaching a nearly $3 billion market cap, despite Democrat calls for President Donald Trump's impeachment over selling access to the presidency by offering its top holders an invitation to a dinner event with the president. Senator Adam Schiff, Elizabeth Warren, and others sent a letter to the U.S. Office of Government Ethics asking for an investigation to determine if Trump violated federal ethics rules by engaging in pay-to-play corruption. The token faced a significant unlock of 40 million tokens earlier this month, an event that usually drives down price, and faces a 50 million token unlock worth about $740 million on July 18th. Finally, Stripe is testing a new stablecoin project aiming to capture a share of the projected $3.7 trillion stablecoin market by 2030. The payments giant is inviting businesses outside the US, UK, and EU to test their new fiat-backed token that provides an alternative to the traditional SWIFT system to facilitate cross-border transactions and competes with established players like Tether and Circle. The move comes after Stripe received regulatory approval to acquire Bridge, a stablecoin payments platform. For more news in the morning, you can subscribe to Crypto Daybook Americas at coindesk.com/newsletters. You don't want to miss the top headlines of the day.